Days of Our Life Part 2. Work done by shepherd in a day. We depend on different animals for our needs. This is Lingaya. He raised sheep at the uplands and hills far from his village. To graze his 30 flock of sheep, he walks 30 kilometers every day. He takes the sheep to rear early in the morning and return home in the evening when it gets dark. A dog helps him in his work. He carries his lunch in a cloth bag and eats in the afternoon and feeds the dog also. Lingaya keeps a pair of leather chappals, a woolen rug, a hand stick and a wooden water bottle with him. In the past, when he was away from his home and family members, he was not able to know about their welfare. Once he was away, he could not know about his father's death. But he bought a mobile phone recently and he talks to his family over mobile phone every day. He protects the lambs by carrying them on his shoulders. Mutual help between shepherd and farmer. Lingaya grazes sheep in the fields also. Some farmers ask shepherds to leave their sheep in their fields during the night. Because of the overtime, excreta of the sheep will become fertilizer and useful for the crops. As the farmers are benefited, in return they give rice and vegetables to the shepherds. In this way they help each other. Fertilizers means like for getting extra strongness we drink Horlicks, Boost, etc. In the same way, fertilizer is very good for the crops in their development. The excreta of the sheep, that is the waste of the sheep that comes out of its body, is very good for the crops development. Sheep rearing in summer season. In summer, when grass is not available, he migrates to Anicut along with the sheep for 5 months. Anicut means a water dam. The other shepherds also migrate in groups of 10 each. They take a donkey with them to carry utensils and other things. They stay wherever they find grass. Usually the grass is available near the banks of streams and canals. Sometimes cheetahs, jackals, hyenas and snakes attack the sheep. Dogs protect them to some extent. Income and expenditure. Lingaya sells the adult sheep whenever he gets a good offer. He does not sell the lambs. He clears all the debts with the money he gets and saves some money. When the businessman purchases the sheep from him, they take away the sheep by lorries. Lingaya feels bad and cries for them. He consoles himself and continues rearing the sheep. Calculating the income and expenditure of a shepherd. Lingaya sold 22 of his sheep at 5,000 rupees each. He also got an income of 4,000 rupees on selling the excreta of the sheep. 2,500 rupees on selling wool. Expenditure is he spent 68,000 rupees on the sheep for medicines, vaccination, fodder and transportation for the whole year. Balance. Let us know how much money is left with Lingaya. Here you can see in the picture, first we will see the income. What is the income? First thing is he sold 22 sheep, each 5,000 rupees. The total is 1,10,000. He has received money from the farmers by selling excreta. He got 4,000 rupees. He received income by selling wool of the sheep. He got 2,500 rupees. The total income he got is 1,16,500. Now we will see the expenditure. 20 lamps he has bought from others. Each cost is 1500 rupees and the total is 33,000. He has spent on medicines and vaccination, that is 12,000 rupees. He has paid the rent, that is 12,000 rupees. He spent on transportation etc., that is 5,000 rupees. And he paid the interest, that is 6,000 rupees. So the total expenditure is 68,000. Now let us see the balance. Total income is 1,16,500. If we remove the total expenditure, that is 68,000, from 1,16,500, we are remaining with 48,500. That is the balance left with Lingaya is 48,500 rupees. This is the income and expenditure of Lingaya. Next, we shall see the problems of sheep rearing. Many people live by rearing sheep. They face many problems in their lives. Venkataya and Kishan also have taken up sheep rearing as a means of livelihood. They face many problems during drought conditions. Today what you need to do, the homework is you need to read about Venkataya and Kishan's story about sheep rearing and you need to answer some questions. Remaining lesson will be continued in the next video.